In this video, I'm going to introduce you to more cool features in Depicter's new update. The Add to Cart button, the Sale badge, and the hover switch image. So buckle up! Since the Add to Cart and the Sale badge features are related to WooCommerce, I'll import a carousel with WooCommerce badge on it to show you how they work. This carousel is dynamic content with its data set up in WooCommerce, as you can see in Data Source. Now, since this is a Woo product, you can add product elements from the left sidebar. Add the Add to Cart button so customers can add products directly to their cart instead of being redirected to the product page. I want the new button to have the same appearance and position of the existing one, so I'll copy the style, animation, and position and paste it onto the new one. And when I'm done with this, I'll just delete it. Great! Now the customers can add the product directly to their cart from the carousel. Now to the Sale badge. I clicked on it and it's now added to the carousel. The Sale badge will appear only on products that have discount. The product should have two prices, a regular price and a sale one. I'm customizing its appearance like the position, the font, the color, etc. From Elements, add the hover switch image element, the third new feature in this video. Since this is a dynamic content, you have to drop dynamic elements in the field. For the primary image, I need to add the product image element. And for the secondary image, we have its element right here. By hovering over the image, the second one will be displayed. The product image being this one and the second image being the first image in the product gallery. Just keep in mind that the hover switch image is not limited to WooCommerce products. You can use it anywhere you need it. See, I opened the layer panel. I'll move the hover switch image next to this one. I'll fix the appearance of the image, and when I'm done, I'll copy its style, position, and animation and paste it onto the hover switch element and delete the image. Publish the carousel. From Elementor Editor, I'll add the Depicter widget and select the carousel. Then publish. Let's view the result. The carousel sure looks great. When I hover on the products, the second image is displayed. Also, as you can see, only products with discount have the sale badge on them. When I click on Add to Cart, the product is added directly to my cart now. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you make the best out of Depicter's new features. Thanks for watching. Ciao!